Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you guys with this pink cut crease eye look that I did really quick. I was in a hurry, I couldn't do an intro, family party, so I wanted to record this. Too much noise in the background, so if you guys are interested in this eye look, please stay tuned and continue watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's continue. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I did already do my eyebrows and already primed my eyes with concealer. I have a separate tutorial on eyebrows if you guys are interested. I am using the BeBella B35H palette, and I'm going to go ahead and get into that orangey shade that I'm getting into, and I'm just going to start blending that all over my crease. And I am going to go ahead and go in with my M44-1 Morphe brush and to blend that shade out. This is going to require a lot of blending, so be patient. Be patient. And of course, if you guys don't notice, I do have tape on my outer corner of my eyes just to sharpen up my eye look, and you don't have to do this, but I prefer to do this, especially when I'm in a rush and I'm really trying to get to where I need to go. And we are going back into our BeBella B35H palette, and I'm going into that brown shade that I'm pointing at, and I am going to apply it onto our crease on top of the shade that has already been applied. What you want to do is just continue blending. You want those two shades to mix and blend well. You don't want any harsh lines or any harsh shade to pop more than the other. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take the Sephora round crease brush, or whatever brush you guys have. I have this round crease from Sephora, and I'm going to go back into my BeBella B35H palette and go ahead and use the shade, that plumish shade that I'm pointing at, and go ahead and apply it onto the outer corner of the eye and blend that out as well. I do go in a couple more times with the plum shade because I do want to darken up my outer corners of my eyes, so I do go in probably like 2 or 3 times just to darken up those outer corners. so now we're getting into our concealer. I am using the Master Conceal by Maybelline, I believe, in 30 medium. And with this concealer, I'm going to apply it onto a flat brush. Anything can work for you guys. A flat synthetic brush, but I'm using this one. And I'm going to go ahead and create my cut crease. Okay, and I'm sorry I lost footage of what I did, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did on the other side as well, on my other eye. It just did not record. So now I'm just going to get my Morphe brush, and I am going to go into my BeBella B35H palette, and that pinkish shade that I'm showing you guys, I'm going ahead and going to apply it onto where I already used the concealer. I'm going to apply it right on top of the concealer, and I am going to be patting it on, not stroking it or anything, just pat it on gently. Smaller brush. I think this is an e.l.f. brush, just to add a little bit more pigmentation to the shade, because it wasn't really grabbing a lot of shade. So I went ahead and grabbed this brush. It was working for me and also helping it blend out. And you guys do whatever you guys gotta do. I am going back in with the round crease brush from Sephora to blend out my outer corner and the cut crease. I am doing this gently. I don't want too much pigmentation onto the crease. Okay, and I'm going into my concealer now, and I'm going to actually demonstrate to you guys how I did my cut crease finally. And you just apply that. So take this slow. Don't rush into it, because if you guys mess up just a tiny bit, you guys are going to mess the whole thing up. So take your time in doing your cut crease, slowly and patiently. This takes some time, okay? Don't rush into it. Like I said, don't rush into it. You'll regret it. Okay, and as what we did to the other eye, we go ahead and go back into the BeBella B35H palette and get the pink shade, and go ahead and use a brush that'll help you apply this more faster and a little bit more pigmentation onto it. So I'm doing the same thing as I did to my other eye. Go ahead and do my eyeliner and my eyelashes off of the camera, and my outer and my inner corners, I actually went into the B35H palette again, and I went with that pink shimmery shade as I am showing you guys, and just applying that onto the inner corner of our eyes. And yeah, basically I just did my eyes so quick. I don't like doing my eyeliner or applying my eyelashes, because I know a bitch is gonna mess up. So okay, and I am bringing you guys a full face. I am spraying my NYX primer base to go ahead to get it ready for applying foundation. And yeah, just let that shit dry. Just let it dry. And I am gonna go in with my concealer, my Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. I forgot what that is, but everything's gonna be in the description box. I do apply this first. I have no idea, it's just me. I always like applying my concealer first and then my foundation on top. I have no idea, but this is how I do it and I like how it looks. Using a Morphe concealer brush to go ahead and blend all that concealer out. Okay, for my foundation, I am using the Milani 2-in-1 Concealer and Perfecting Foundation. Yeah, that's what it's called. And I am just applying it all over with my fingers, as I always do. And then I am going to use one of my Morphe brushes to go ahead and pat that and blend as well. So first pat and then blend a little bit and then pat again so it doesn't look too streaky. Now I'm going into my Maybelline Fit Shine Free Balance Tint foundation, and I am using this as my contouring stick. It's so smooth and sleek, so it works for me. I don't know about you guys, but this is my go-to for contouring. And I'm just gonna blend that out as well with one of my Morphe brushes. And it is in the shade 355. It's called Coconut. I'm sorry, I'm going really fast. It's like some people are about to do some plumbing work, and I'm trying to get this shit done. My Shade and Light Kat Von D contouring palette. I'm going to use those two powders that I'm pointing at, and I'm going to mix them and apply them right onto the contouring where I already applied it on, and just go ahead and blend that out. guys while I'm actually doing my makeup. A lot of background noise. My husband, my kids were trying to get ready as well. So yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to a baptism of my family's, so I was like rushing and trying to get this done to get you guys some more content. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys like it and how did it go for you guys. And please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys for watching, and until next video, bye guys.